Today we will study respiratory system in the Scoliodon. Here Scoliodon is commonly called as dogfish. It is aquatic animal, lives in marine waters, and it completely depend upon oxygen which is dissolved in the seawater, and this oxygen is used for the purpose of respiration in this Scoliodon. Now first we will study the respiratory organs present in the Scoliodon. Scoliodon consists of 5 pairs of gill pouches which contains gills. These 5 gill pouches, they are present in a series, one on either side in the lateral wall of pharynx, which is present behind the hyoid arc. Each gill pouch is compressed antero-posteriorly. It opens into pharynx by a large internal brachial aperture and outside by a narrow vertical external brachial aperture, which is called as gill slit. The two adjacent gill pouches, they are completely separated from each other by a vertical fibromuscular portion. The interbranchial septum, or also called as gill septum. The inter or pharyngeal border of each gill septum is supposed by a cartilaginous visceral arc, which is called as gill arc, and it is made up from slender fine branchial rays. The septum present in gills, it is covered by epithelium cells which contains blood vessels and nerves inside it. Then the mucous membrane of this septum, it is raised into numerous horizontal leaf-like folds which are called as gill lamellae or gill filaments. These constitute the gill proper, which are richly supplied with blood capillaries which are very fine. Then each septum, it have 2 sets of gill lamellae. One is present on its anterior face and other is present to the posterior face. This set makes a half gill and it is called demi-branch, or also called as hemi-branch. And when the both sets, they attach to gill arc and its gill septum constitute a complete gill, it is called as hollow branch. 2 demi-branch or hemi-branch, they combinedly called as hollow branch. The posterior demi-branch of a septum, it has longer lamellae than those of the anterior demi-branch. Here a gill pouch which contains 2 demi-branch belong to the 2 adjacent gills. Hence in Scoliodon, the hyoid arc, it bears only a demi-branch on its posterior face. The first 4 brachial arch, they are hollow branch, while the 5th brachial arch, it is without any gill. The other elasmobranch fishes, the interbrachial septum or septa, they extend beyond the gill lamellae to form flaps, and these flaps protect the gills as well as external gill slits. Such gills are called lamelliform. These are lamelliform gills. Okay. Then in front of hyoid arc, or the first internal gill slit, on either side of its pharynx, it presents an oval pit of spiracle. This is without the gill lamellae and no external opening. This is regarded as vestigial gill pouch in the Scoliodon. Okay. This way, these are the respiratory organs present in respiratory system of the Scoliodon.